Hello and welcome to the Code Badger. This is the second part of the HTML tutorial for beginners. Last time we did formatting of text and attributes of font and body tag. This time we are going to see how to create lists. Now you might think that creating a list is pretty easy. You'll just do the normal HTML head, title, we'll say lists, title closed, then head closed. Then in body, you might think that to create a list without bullets is very easy. Like, let's say days of the week. Now you will just hit enter and you'll say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then just close all the tags, body closed, and HTML closed. You have to save it, Control S. Over here we'll say lists.html and then save it. Here it is. Now, as you see, when we run this, it does not come in as a list. It comes in a straight line, which means there is a problem. Now, how to solve that? So for doing that, after each line, we are going to do BR. This means the break line. So what will happen that after this line is printed, looking at the BR, the computer will think that we have to break the line. So Monday will be on the next line. This is a non-container tag and does not contain anything within itself. It's a function. Same thing after Monday, BR. After Tuesday, BR. Then after Wednesday also, here, BR. After Thursday, BR. Then after Friday, BR. After Saturday, BR. And we'll leave Sunday just like that. So after this, if we hit Control S and if we go back to our page, voila, here all the days have been listed in terms of a list. So days of the week, then below that Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Good. Now, what about lists with bullets? Well, for that, there is a list function. So there are four types of lists: ordered list, unordered list, definition list, and nested lists. So we'll first hit new. So we'll just start the ordered list by HTML. Oops. Then head, then title, right, ordered lists, close the title tag, go down, right, close the head. Let's go in body and let's just give it a beachy color. Why not? Equals orange. And now for making the ordered list, there is a certain tag. First we'll write the days of the week, colon. Now the ordered list tag is OL. Now there are 5 types of ordered lists. There is capital A B C D, so it would be displayed as capital A dot Monday, B dot Tuesday, C dot Wednesday. There's the small ABCD, it will be displayed in small a, then Monday the small b, then there's Roman numerals, and there's numbers, normal numbers. So for deciding the type, we'll write OL space type equals double quotes. If we write capital A, it will come like this: A dot Monday. It will come like this. We don't have to type it like that, but it will come like that. So then if we write small a, then the same will be there, just the capital A would become the small a. If we write capital I, then it will come as Roman numerals. I, that is 1, 2, 3 in Roman. And if we write small I, then it will be in small Roman numerals. And if we write 1, then it will come in normal numbers, like 1 dot Monday, 2 dot Tuesday. 1 is the default type, so if you just leave the OL right like that, then it will just come 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday. So why not just do it capital I, close this. So for giving the contents of the list, there's another tag, that is LI. LI should be placed before every content of the list. So LI means list item. So let's write Monday, again LI, Tuesday, again LI, Wednesday, LI, oops, Thursday, Thursday, for the H, LI, Friday, then LI, Saturday, then LI, Sunday. Now for closing the OL, after this we'll close the OL tag. That's it. Then close the body tag. Then close the HTML tag. Control S this. Just write ordered list.html. .html is very important, as because if we don't write that, then it will just be a text document. So here we go, and look at this: days of the week: 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Saturday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday, and 7 Sunday. There we go. And then now let's just take a look at unordered lists. So new, here we'll write HTML head title, I'll write unordered lists, will close title. Now there are 3 types of unordered lists, and close the head tag. Oops, where did that go? We'll close the head tag, and then we'll write body. Now let's just say vegetables. So there are three types of unordered lists. There is the square, circle, and disk. So first let's just do, so the tag for unordered list is UL, which means unordered list. So for type, say type equals in double quotes. Let's just do square first. Square. And then it is the same procedure. Li, let's say carrot, Li, lady finger, Li, what else? Capsicum, Li, and the fourth one would be brinjal, or as like other people like to call it, eggplant or aubergine. And then we'll close the unordered list tag, and we'll close the body tag, and then the HTML tag. And also let's just give it a PG color of pink, and control save this. This would be unordered list.html. Save, and then here it is. Let's run this, and there it is, vegetables in square, carrot, square, ladyfinger, capsicum, brinjal. So let's just try some other types of unordered lists. There is the circle. If we control save this, then what will happen? Refresh this. Now it is circle, carrot, circle, ladyfinger, capsicum, and brinjal. And then there is the third type, that is disk. Control S. Here, let's refresh this, and the disk is like this. This is shaded circle, carrot, ladyfinger, capsicum, and brinjal. Now that's it for this video. In the next video we'll do definition lists and nested lists. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.